What's the most common problem wig wearers have with their wigs? The wig sliding back, nothing gripping it onto their head. So I started a series called Get a Grip, going through some different types of options to wear underneath your wig in order to help keep it on your head throughout the day. And today I am going to be reviewing one that I'm actually really excited to be looking at. I'm Chaya G, I'm a wig wearer, I'm a wig expert, and I'm a wig stylist. And it happens to be that a few months ago I was going to a client's house and she pulled out one of these. I had never seen it before. I said, what is this? This is the Milano Wig Grip Cap. And what I love about it is the fact that it has a built-in net. If you've checked out any of my other videos, you'll see I'm always wearing a wig net to actually keep my hair covered, but it's also something that people actually love to wear on a daily basis because it helps keep their hair together in one place and makes putting on the wig easier when you have a lot of hair underneath. This wig grip cap combines the two, where you have the wig net and it's attached to the actual velvet material that keeps the wig on your head, which I love the concept. So really excited to try it on. Let's shut the lights for a minute so I can get it on my head. Lights on. And here it is. I have successfully gotten the wig grip cap on my head. Now, the first thing I noticed when putting it on is that I didn't see that this wig cap comes in different sizes. I do not have an especially large head. I'm probably somewhere between a small and a medium. And I did struggle a little bit getting my hair on under, but that could be because it's brand new, it's a little bit stiff, but now you see it's on. It has a Velcro closure. I'm gonna turn around so you could see. That is adjustable. You can open and close it tighter, you can close it looser, but everything does feel really snug on my head and very comfortable. Now, I don't want to forget to mention, this is not sponsored. I found this on my own on Amazon. I have linked it in the description below. I love trying out these products and showing you the pros and cons, and let me know if there's anything else you want me to review wig related. I'm happy to help. Something I really like about this cap is that with the regular velvet headbands, people are very confused as to how to put it on. So many times I have explained to my clients that they're wearing it the wrong way, and it's not only defeating the purpose, but it's actually causing their wig to slide off more. So I always talk about the finger test, where you start your finger from the beginning of the hairline and slowly put your finger back, and if you feel it rough as opposed to the opposite side will be smoother, that's how you know that the cap is on the right way. With this cap, there's only one way to wear it. I'm actually gonna try to put it inside out and see if it also has that rough edge, because to me, this in and of itself would be a huge win, because when a person would put it on their head, they're gonna know they're wearing it right. Let's cut the lights again. I'm gonna flip it over. So I actually flipped it over, and the funny thing is that you can't even wear it inside out, because then the Velcro closure is underneath, and it makes it really hard to actually open and close it. So I'll show you. So you know with this cap, if you're trying to close the Velcro from underneath the cap, you're wearing it wrong. You gotta flip it back. Be right back. Back again, now with it the right way, with the tag, where's the tag? Here, facing on the outside. And the Velcro closing from the top. And I will tell you, even just putting it on now 2 more times, once the wrong way and now back to the right way, I'm already feeling like the cap has even more give. So it just needs to be stretched and broken into a little bit. Now that we know I'm wearing it correctly, let's test it out. Here I got my wig. Let's see how this baby works. Okay, as always, without the mirror. Okay, I think we're on. Now let's start tugging. It's not going anywhere. Nope, not even budging. And the great thing is that all my hair went on underneath my wig so nicely because it has that cap attached to it. One more feature I want to show you about this cap. It has the lace with the lace piece over here. So that way, if you have it with a lace, if you're wearing it with a lace top or a lace front, then you have the lace material here that is transparent. I do know that they sell these with a full velvet for a wig that would not have a lace underneath, and it doesn't matter if you have that lace piece or not. So let's rate this. In terms of its breathability, I would give it 3 hearts. You do have some extra material here that you wouldn't necessarily have if you don't have anything under your wig. So although it's breathable, you're still wearing something underneath. Now let's talk about its usability. I would give this 4 hearts. It is definitely a winner. We have the velvet going the right way. It's pretty foolproof, can't get this wrong. You know that the velvet is actually going to grip onto the wig, which is the biggest problem people have with the regular wig grips. And you have the added bonus of getting your hair underneath in one place, putting the wig on seamlessly. I love it. For the adjustability factor, definitely adjustable. As I demonstrated to you before, you have a Velcro closure that you can make looser, you can make tighter, and definitely adjustable for many different head sizes. Although it starts out a little bit snug, so I'd give it 3 hearts. You probably need a little bit of time to break it in, but once you do, I'm sure you're gonna be comfortable. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, and if you're thinking about getting this wig grip for yourself, write me down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what other products you would like to see me review, and check out my next video coming up where I'm actually going to be showing you the 5-minute wig touch-up, because if you rewind a little bit and you see that wig I put on, it needs a touch-up. In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you just how to do it. Stay tuned. Forgot what I was saying. Pause. Train of thought. Breathability, breathability. No, can't remember what I'm trying to say. No. Bleh.